Hey everybody. Well, today we are going to learn how to install R and RStudio on a Mac. So, just as a reminder, we talked about this briefly in the first module, but it's good to think of R and RStudio as kind of like a car's engine and a car's dashboard. So, R is really the engine. It powers the computation, it creates the plots, it's kind of the core language that gets installed on your machine. RStudio is kind of like a car's dashboard. It allows you to interact with R easier by giving you convenient features and tools, just like a dashboard can tell you, how to control the temperature inside the car or how fast you're going. So RStudio is really the app that we're going to be using on a daily basis, and just know that behind the scenes, R is the engine powering it all. So to install R and RStudio, I'm just going to open a window here and Google RStudio. And this first search result, I'm going to click Download RStudio. And it says choose your version. I'm going to scroll down and choose the free open source RStudio desktop license just by clicking Download. Okay, so it says first you need to install R. And then once you have that installed, download RStudio Desktop and install that. So let's first install R. I'll click this link right here. And since we're on a Mac, I'm going to choose Download R for Mac OS X. And I'll choose this first link, this .pkg download link right here. Okay, great. So since I'm in Chrome, it automatically downloads it to my Downloads folder. So I'm going to open Finder and navigate to Downloads. And here I have the R 4.0.0 PKG file I just downloaded. So I'll open that. Alright, this installer is going to guide you through the steps necessary to set up R. I'm going to hit continue, and really I'm just going to hit continue throughout. We're just going to accept all the defaults here. I'm going to agree to the terms and hit install. It will ask for my password, my machine's login password, and I'll hit install software. This should be pretty quick. Alright, the installation was successful, so I can go ahead and close that. And yeah, I can move it to the trash, the installer, because I'm all done. So I'll hit that. Great. Alright, let's go back to our browser. I'll close this window, and now we're back to that RStudio page where, okay, we've completed step 1, and now we're going to download and install RStudio Desktop. So I'll just click this button right here to download that. I'll close this here. I'm going to head back to my downloads folder in the Finder, and you can see I have my .dmg RStudio installer downloaded already. So go ahead and pause your video and wait for yours to stop downloading, and then head back when it's done. Alright, so I'm going to double click this .dmg file. And it's really straightforward on a Mac. To install most applications, it opens this kind of expanded window here, and you drag the app into the applications folder. And it will say it's copying it down here at the bottom, and it's all done. So once you've kind of heard that it's done copying, you can actually go check by going to your applications. So here from my applications folder, I can find RStudio. I'll just double click RStudio. And great, if you're seeing this boilerplate language right here in this console tab, then you have installed R and RStudio successfully. It shows the version that we've installed, and we're all set to start working in R. Thanks for watching.